What answers I know. So first we got clap, does she want me? That's clap, does she want me? I don't know what it's called because it's really old. Then we've got cannibal. Whenever you tell me I'm so hungry, really. I'm chilling for a long black. First, my tea. Security. Try to. Oh, sorry. Wait, sorry. Say, hey, no, baby. What the hell down, baby? Oh, say, hey, no, baby. Right. To keep up on to violence on to. Okay, then I'm going. Yes. Why am I blanking? I've done lots. So, oh right, if I don't reach your X, move on to the next. Reach your X. The only X I want is extra money, not extra stress, no. If I don't find my life, I am not in a hurry. Never let you down, baby. Right, no. Ali. Alright, Ali. Radio. Bigger than a suitcase. Girl living in a disco. Forget about that race. Less than a season. Game tries on fire. Talk about pop music. Talk about pop music. Say sorry, honey. I don't really know it, but I don't really like the end bit, so that's why I got it. I fly like paper, get high like planes. If you can't got up for yours in mine, I'll make them all day. Oh, that's what it goes like, huh? I think. Bye, Dad.
You alright, darling? Do some dances?
Yeah. Oh, right, the floor. My child's in it. I don't know.
Lucas? Lulu? Just ask him to, or just grab that blazer. I just need his blazer.
I think that's all
Is
of
it
them.
busy in there?
What?
Is it busy in the office?
No, it was darling on there.
Was it?
Lucas, where's your blazer, mate? Can you come downstairs, please? What? You not eating hot yesterday. It's ridiculous.
Bye. No.
But
Honey.
baby's never called you about
I'll make another one if I remember. Bye.
blazer.
Bye. Peace out.